Alright, y'all, we're back. I'm so sorry if I'm sniffling or whatever. I am deathly sick right now. But I promise we're doing one a day. So we're doing one a day. Well, technically I missed yesterday, but we're doing two today. So we're gonna make up for it. Alright, let's get into it. I'm not gonna talk much just because I don't feel good. So we're just gonna kind of run through this. And yeah. Circle. It's not on. Circle radius of 27.5. Okay, Jesus. Just delete. Alright, we're putting this guy. Where's my snapping? That was not on, that's why. That makes way more sense. Jeez. That was embarrassing. 7.5. 45. I guess we'll work on those two. Does not matter the length. This, I'm gonna put the length about here. The length does not matter, it's just the center line. Just hit tab, and then you can work on the angle. The angle, remember, is from the x-axis to that. So this thing says 30, but you're really up to 60 because it's from here. That's normal, but it's this angle that you have to compute. So about that length, and then 60, and then we can just mirror across this line. Source. Let's make sure we have our center line. Okay, we do. Okay, and then let's turn these into center lines. Make them red, and then let's make them a little lighter so we know what kind of cat. Okay. This circle right here. That circle right there is 60 away. I have my stuff in inches. It doesn't have yours, something different, but I have mine in inches. Alright, so circle, put it here, and the radius is radius of 10. Move him along this line. Make sure it's along the line. Perfect, and then it's 60 away. Perfect. And then we'll do the same thing for the outer one. Outer one is 18. I'm going to do the fillet right here. That fillet, that radius is 5. So F, half a radius 5. Between those two things, perfect. And then we can grab those three things and mirror. Okay, you didn't like that, did you? Okay. Mirror across this line. Resource, nope, perfect. We do the same thing for the fillet between these two. And the radius is